In this video, I will show you how to enable 2 analog joysticks for God of War Ghost of Sparta PPSSPP. Now to do this, simply open your PPSSPP emulator and then go to settings. Once in your settings, go to controls. Once in controls, look for the section where you are going to see edit touch control layout. So you can see it in here, so simply click on it and then it will bring you to this section, because in this section you'll be able to make a lot of adjustments. Now click on customize. Now once you get in here, you are going to see this section below that says right analog stick. So simply tap on it. I didn't say activate it yet, just tap on it so that you can actually customize it a little bit. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you in here. So the first thing you have to do, click on visible and then click on use custom right analog. So once you get in here, you have to put in some command. Now the first thing that you have to do, you see this section below that says keep this button pressed when right analog is pressed. Now what you want to do in here, click on this to turn it on, and then once you tap on it, you are going to have to select L. So just keep on following everything I'm saying in this video. Now you can see this first one, which is right AN up. Tap on it, select arrow. Do it for down, also select arrow. Then do it for left. Just make sure you select arrow in any one in here, like everything is arrow. The only thing that is going to be L is this one that says keep this button pressed. So just make sure that you do every single thing you are seeing in the screen right now. Make sure it's exactly what you are seeing in your screen that is in your PPSSPP emulator. Now once you've done this, click on back and then click on back for the second time again. And now you are going to actually see the second joystick. So all you have to do, just move it out of this section, like move it out of this section. So I'm going to be putting mine in here. Let me just leave it in here. So that's it. It's very simple. Now you can go ahead and play your game, and then your second analog joystick is going to be fully functional. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.